Hello and welcome to Ndax. In this video we'll talk about limit orders. So what is a limit order? A limit order is a type of order to purchase or sell an asset at a specified price or better. For buy orders, the order will be executed at the limit price or lower, while for sell orders it executes at the limit price or higher. Now, when to use the limit order? With limit orders, you are in control of the buy and sell prices as to when the order should be filled. So the order will fill automatically when it is set to. For example, you want to buy one Bitcoin at $22,000, but the current price of Bitcoin is at $24,500. So you place the limit buy order at $22,000 for one Bitcoin. The order will remain open until the market reaches that price or you cancel the order. However, the trade-off is that orders might not fill if the market does not move in that direction at all. Also, when placing limit orders, there is a chance an order might not fill on time in a fast-moving market, which could result in missed opportunities or substantial losses in case of a sell limit order. For that, you might want to place a stop limit order, which we discuss in another video. So how to set a limit order? First, go to the trading window by clicking Trade on the left menu and click Buy, same as if you want to place a market order. Now select how much you want to buy of the asset and at what price you want to buy. The Time in Force setting specifies how the order should be filled when the time comes. So, Good Till Cancelled asks to keep buying or selling the wanted amounts until the order is filled completely. Immediate or Cancel asks to fill the whole order or any part immediately at the set price and to cancel any unfilled balance. Fill or Kill asks to fill the entire order immediately at the set price or cancel it if not enough is available. Same things can be said about sell limit orders. Here you can set the amount and the price at which to sell. Just keep in mind that the limit price needs to be higher than the current market price, otherwise the order will fill automatically since the price condition you've set has already been met. Finally, click Place Buy Order and confirm your order. You will find the order in the Open Orders tab where you can edit or cancel the order by clicking here. In the next video, we'll talk about the Stop Order option, so stay tuned.